Hello my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. All right, if this is your first time of stopping by on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you guys for stopping by. Okay, today I want to talk about the list of people you should avoid. Okay, if this is your first time of stopping by my channel, my name is enjoyble. I'm from the eastern part of Nigeria, Ebonyi State to be precisely. Okay, here I talk about health and spiritual tips. All right, before I go on with this teaching, see you after this short break. Okay. My wonderful people, in case you need any of my products that you just saw or my services, you can chat me up on my only WhatsApp number on the screen, 09061281100. Okay, if you need any of those products, distance is not a barrier. I can webble it to you wherever you are. Okay, if you need any spiritual consultation, you can chat me up. Attend to you wherever you are. Please, in case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload in this channel, you'll be the first to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you for being part of this wonderful family. Here we catch fun. All right, please don't forget to press the like button, share the video, all right, in this channel. Here we love. Okay, ask me your question, I will attend to you ASAP. All right, let's get into it. There are three kinds of sets of people, witches around you, that you don't know that they are witches in human form. Yes, around you that you don't know, that you need to stay clear of them for you to succeed in life. Not even this 224, for you to succeed in life. Number one are fault finders. Number two are anti-good news. Number three set of people that you should avoid are monitoring agents or monitoring demons. Those are people you should avoid. Fault finders, let me start from there. See fault in everything you do. You sleep, oh, they'll look at how you slept. Your sleeping position is not good, they will talk about it. You cough, they will talk about it. You yawn, they will talk about it. Anything you do, they will see fault in it. They don't want to hear that you did this, that they will not say something about it negatively. These people are not far. I'm talking about household enemies. When I talk, I don't just come out to talk because I want to entertain you. No. I talk based on spiritual direction. Yes, I talk based on spiritual direction. These are things that they reveal to me that are part of your problems, and you don't see it because this set of people are your friends, your close friends that you cannot, if your bestie that you cannot do without. If you want to cough, you tell them. They are your fiancés. Some of them are your blood siblings, your blood relative, your uncle, your nephews, your aunts. These are not far enemies, household enemies. Then there comes to the anti-good news. They don't want to hear anything good about you. But if something that is very bad, something that is not good, anything good news, that you lost your job, you got an accident, you lose your baby, that is where you see them coming to tell you sorry that is not from their hearts. Be careful with those kind of people. You might not really see them. These people I'm talking about are not far witches. They are insiders. That even if somebody tells you that this person is your problem, you will swear. You even want to have problem with that person. You even want to go and tell that person, come and hear what this nonsense person is saying. No, they said you're part of my problem. You'll be tagging it your village people. You'll be tagging it water people. You don't know it's your household enemies that are troubling you. That don't want to see you progress. They don't want you to be in a higher level more than them. They want to see you being demoted. Number 3, monitoring demons. They want to monitor you as the agents they are, to see when good things are coming to you, to spoil it, to see when new suitors will be coming, to see they want to destroy your life for you. But they are your friends. So ọkwa oke nọ n'ụlọ bụ nke gwara oke nọ n'ama n'azụ dị na ngịga. What am I saying? Any friend that does not add anything to your life, my dear, take off that friend. That person is not your friend. You are better off alone. And I did not say you should keep malice with anybody or let everybody be your enemy. No. But avoid that closeness. Let some people stay away from you. Stay away, or you stay away from people. Choose your friend. You'll be praying and fasting every day, going to night vigil, but you don't know that your problem is around you. You'll be tagging it to your ancestors. You'll be tagging it far people. Anybody that do not know you will not harm you. It's people that know you that will harm you. You might not really see it, but this is a warning. For you to succeed in life, you must learn how to keep some things to yourself. Read people that comes close to you. Know their character towards a certain thing. If you tell them, know their there is no how you tell somebody good things that you will not notice their facial expression. True, you will not notice if they are happy or sad for you with their facial. I know some persons can fake it, but not for a long time. Please be careful. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please share your thoughts. All right. See you guys on my next video. I love you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Please stay safe. Bye.